Are you aware of the game-changing iOS 18 update that's on the horizon? It's poised to redefine the landscape for all iPhone users, especially those wielding the latest iPhone 16. In a significant move, Apple is introducing on-device AI processing with this update. This enhancement is not just about better performance, it's about elevating security and privacy to whole new levels. By developing its own large language model and introducing OpenELM AI language models for smartphones, Apple is paving the way for a future where your data stays on your device, rather than being shipped off to distant servers. This contrasts starkly with Google's data-centric approach and aligns perfectly with Apple's long-standing commitment to user privacy. But the iOS 18 update isn't all about security and privacy. It's also about power. Specifically, the power of the new A18 Pro chip that's coming to the iPhone 16 Pro models. This chip is set to supercharge AI performance, making your device smarter and more responsive than ever before. However, this balance between security and functionality in AI features remains a key challenge. It's a delicate dance, and Apple is taking the lead. But the biggest surprise? Apple's move towards AI-enabled hardware might arrive sooner than expected. Rumors are swirling about the potential introduction of the M4 chip in the upcoming iPad Pro. If true, this would position it as Apple's first truly AI-powered device. So, what does this all mean for you, the end user? It means your iPhone is set to become more secure, more private, and more powerful. It means a future where your device understands you better, responds faster, and keeps your data closer to home. But remember, this is just the beginning. Apple's full AI strategy will likely be revealed at the Worldwide Developers Conference in June. So while the iOS 18 update is a significant step, it's also a tantalizing glimpse into a future that's just around the corner. In summary, the iOS 18 update is a game changer. It's a sign of Apple's commitment to privacy, security, and power, and it's a sign of exciting things to come. So, keep your eyes peeled and your devices ready, because the future of AI is almost here.